To determine if your eggs are safe to eat, the popular float test can indicate their age. Fresh eggs sink, while older ones float. However, this test isn't always accurate, and floating doesn't necessarily mean the egg is bad. It's important to assess the egg's appearance and smell after cracking it open to determine quality. Signs of spoilage include a rotten odor, runny whites or yolks, and cracked or slimy shells, which can allow bacteria to enter. Ideally, consume eggs within 4 to 5 weeks of the pack date, stored in the back of the refrigerator to avoid temperature fluctuations. For longer storage, you can freeze eggs after whisking them and add salt or sugar to maintain texture. Always prioritize food safety by inspecting eggs before use.